I am Jana Renee, and today we are going to go through a fall haul for my baby girl. Now, my baby girl, her name is Jaya. She's my only baby girl. I think she's my last baby. But when I found out I was having a girl, I was so excited. I feel like I manifested a girl. I knew I wanted a girl. I knew that's what I wanted, and I am so happy she turned out to be a girl. Like, let's get started. Found this cute unicorn outfit. It's a costume, obviously, but it is so cute. And what I liked about it is it's warm. So like the fur is gonna keep her warm, and then it has a little bodysuit with the little legs for her. It has a little tail with the wings, and then a hoodie on to protect her ears. I just love this. They really had babies in mind when they made this, and I got it on sale. It's like 25% off all of their Halloween costumes. So originally it was $20, but I got it for 15, so yay. And then I went to Burlington and I found these cute little shoes, these little booties, and they were $6.99, which you cannot beat. And so I was like, those would go perfect with her costume. Even though the feathering is a little bit different color, it works. So freaking cute. I went to Ross, and surprisingly they didn't have much stuff in her size, and really everywhere it wasn't much in her size. Like, I really had to dig. I guess that 12 months time frame is just like really popular. And what's so crazy about that is my baby girl is so slim, like she's so small that she can literally still fit some 6 months, and I could literally have gotten away with getting her 9 months, but I didn't want to do that because I definitely want to make these clothes stretch throughout the winter season. But I'm a firm believer that little girls should be in dresses. So I got this 2-pack of dresses from Ross, and it was $7.99. They are so cute, very simple, basic, but cute. And I mean, you can throw some tights on under this, which I do still need to get her. But here's the black and white striped one, and then there's this pink and gold polka dot one, and then it has a little cute bell sleeves. So cute, so cute. I love it. This next outfit, again, freaking adorable, and it's Calvin Klein. And this one was $14.99 in a Burlington Coat Factory. And you see the little ruffles on the jacket. So cute. And then the pants are just some simple, well, they're not simple. They have print on it, obviously. Little roses leggings. And I could say they're the thicker version of the leggings, but ladies, this is such a steal for this jacket, and she doesn't necessarily have to wear it with these leggings. Obviously, I can use both of these pieces separate from each other or together, but I just feel like this is a sleeve. The jacket is perfect. Not too heavy, not too thin, just perfect for the weather, especially for here. So here's another one from Calvin Klein. However, I got this one from TJ Maxx, and it was $14.99 as well. And this is so cute. And once again, everything is in size 12 months because I want it to last throughout the winter season. But come on, guys. And then the little leggings are that jean print, and I love the little Calvin Klein detail on the leggings. Like, too grown girl. She was obsessed with this little beading on the Calvin Klein because you can feel it. So texture, of course, kids love texture. So freaking cute. This next one is one of my favorites. $12.99, guys. $12.99. This is so stinking cute. Like, I immediately grabbed this like somebody was gonna grab it out of my hand when I saw it. Like, look at the little detailing on the zippers. It has a J on it. And then the little peplum on the top. And the top is the thick material. And I love that. Because if it's just one of those things, it's one of those events you're going to maybe, or just in church or somewhere where you're inside and it might be a little bit cool. I mean, this would be perfect because you could still take off her coat and she'll be fine. Like her arms won't be cool. So stinking cute. $12.99. Here's the leggings to it. This pretty flowery and gold print, and the gold is like shimmery. So stinking cute. And guys, literally, I'm sorry, I didn't even do like what the original price of these outfits were, but the original price of this one was $60. So if I would have got this retail price from Juicy Couture, it would have been $60. And guys, I got this for $12.99. Honestly, I'm surprised it was only $12.99 because of how thick the thick and the material of the top is just, you can't beat it. Such quality. Now this next one, oh my god. So when I was in Burlington, because I went to, like I said, I went to all these different stores, I saw this one, and of course, you know, they all pretty much use all of the same retailers. I saw this one, but it wasn't in her size, and I was like, I really want this. And it was like, I think the one I saw was only 24 months, which was way too big for her at this point. But I was like, I really want this. And when I saw this at TJ Maxx, $16.99 by the way, I hurried up and grabbed it again, like somebody was gonna snatch it out of my hand. So freaking cute, and it reminds me of back in the day when we all wore our Juicy Couture sweatsuits and thought we were doing it up. So it has this little bow detailing at the side, the little Juicy Couture bling out, and here are the sweatpants, just nice, very nice material, basic sweatpants. Guys, are you kidding me? Gorgeous. $16.99. Original price at Juicy Couture was $65. Wow. I got this Puma one piece. I actually got this for an event we were supposed to go to this weekend, but we decided not to go because it's just such a rainy day today. But and it was outside, so I didn't want her to be outside all day. But this was literally $8.99, and I got this from Burlington, and the original price of this would have been $38. But look at it, isn't it cute? It has a little cute pink stripe on the side. I really want to find her some Puma tennis shoes to go with this, and to be honest, I'm not a tennis shoe wearer, so I don't know if Puma necessarily has baby size shoes, but I'm hoping I can find some because that would be a cute outfit. So this is the next outfit. I actually got this a couple weeks ago when I knew I needed to start shopping for fall because I knew that colder weather was coming. But I picked this up at Walmart and it was literally $4.48. Here are the leggings to it. So they have like those mix and match. You know, at Walmart they have the tables with the mix and match clothes. This set is a part of that. And I just decided to get the camo print because I thought it was cute to go with this. And it says I love daddy, and it has sparkles on it. And literally guys, like I said, I paid $4.48 for two of these pieces. I'm actually gonna go back and get a few more of those outfits. I mean, $8, you can't beat it. Anything to throw on when it's cooler out, leggings, crew neck, cutesy, I love it. You'll get more wear out of it because it is a dress, so I don't necessarily have to worry about it being super tight or anything on her unless it gets tight on her arms. So this was $8.99 and I got this from Burlington, and it's this cute little, what's this texture called again? I forgot the name of this texture. I'm drawing a blank, but you guys know. And it has the little bloomers that go with it, and also a little headband. Super duper cute. And I also have a dress with this material, but it doesn't have any sleeves in it, so I gotta figure out something to put over it so we could do some mommy and me action. I picked this up from Marshall's, and it's so crazy because Marshall's didn't have that much in her size either. And so I guess everybody was kind of on the same train. I need to get baby stuff for the upcoming season, which I totally understand. But I picked it up. It was only $7.99 again. A cute little peplum top, and then of course pink leggings. Can't go wrong with that. And then it came with the headband as well. So for $8, 3 pieces, you can't beat that. Like, why not? That's one of those no-brainers you just throw in a cart. I'm laughing because I got this outfit because it made me think of my mom. Like, my mom loves stuff like this cutesy, adult type, classy, bougie. That's the vibe I get with stuff like this, and it's so freaking cute. But I got this from Marshall's, and it was $12.99. And so it comes with the top and the leggings, which are kind of like a peach that goes with the bow here, and then the buttons on the back. So cute. Nice touch of class. Teach them young. Okay, so for the coats, oh my god, this is like one of my favorite things I bought because it was only like $14.99, but it's so warm, and I love how it fits Babygirl. It gives her enough room to breathe, but it's also snug enough. And it is reversible, so I can reverse it, but I don't see why anybody would want to reverse it because the fur is on the inside. But I just absolutely love it. It's this cute pink color, and not only is it cute, it also serves its purpose. Because you know how sometimes you get cute stuff, but it doesn't serve its purpose? It hits the nail on both. So good job, whoever made this. And I don't even see the name of the company, and I did take the tags off of it because she wore it. So that's that. I got her this bodysuit, and it's by Madden, and it was on the clearance for $17.99. So it must have been one of their styles from last year, because it was only $17.99. Great quality. It zips down. And it zips down, and she fits in there perfect. And as you can hear, she just woke up from her nap, so we need to speed this up. So for the boots and the shoes, she is walking now by herself like a big girl, still in that wobbly stage, but she has it down pat. So I got her these camo print BEBE boots, and she has already worn these once. Honestly, I think it's more for show than anything, but they're cute, and the Velcro detaches to put her foot in. Super cute. I got her and it's so funny because they're so freaking cute. Oh, and by the way, all the boots and the shoes are $6.99 from Burlington. I got her these cute little pinky ones with the bubbles on the side. Super cute. Oh my god, these are so cute. It reminds me of the Gucci shoes like this with the fur inside of them. Super cute. These are by BEBE as well. See, it says BEBE on the bottom. So thinking. Got some gold ones with the fur inside as well. I'm sorry, it's light. Super duper cute. Last pair are the black boots with the camo at the top with the fur, and again, all of those were $6.99. So I hope you ladies enjoy. Please go out to Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Don't be afraid to shop discounted stores. I don't see a problem with it. You get these things for a better deal. They're great quality, but somebody has woken up for the nap and ready to get down. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.